Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 31st March current affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Vajra Prahar. Here there is a edition special force exercise between India and US joint special forces exercise Vajra Prahar was conducted at Special Forces Training School located at Baklo, located in Himachal Pradesh in March 2021. Here, if you see the objective of this Vajra Prahar is to share the best practices and the experiences in areas such as a joint mission planning and operational tactics, as also to improve interoperability between the special forces of both nations, that is Vajra Prahar 2021. Next one, here there is a report of Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming India, investment opportunities in India's healthcare sector. Why? Because if you see from 2020 to 2021, a calendar year, you can understand the how important health sector in India. Why? Because there is a lack of PHCs, primary health centers, and there is a lack of government hospitals as well as private hospitals, and there is a lack of devices, and there is a lack of equipments, and there is a lack of doctors also. If you consider per one doctor, population is more. That's why there is a lagging in the our Indian health sector, and there is also a insurance is lagging in the health sector also. That's why as per Niti Aayog report, there is a, if you put investment in India's health sector, then you can achieve the good health sector and health conditions of India by putting investment in the health sector. Here, this Niti Aayog report outlines the range of investment opportunities in various segments India's healthcare sector, including hospitals, medical devices, equipment, health insurance, telemedicine. The most important one, telemedicine in India nowadays. Suppose I have infected with corona, I am unable to go outside. Then how I can consult my doctor? Then if I use technology or internet, then I can use my then I can consult my doctor from my home only in this COVID situation. That's why this telemedicine is very most important in this nowadays, in these days. Home healthcare and medical value travel also. Here, if you see the statistics, India's healthcare industry has been growing at a compound annual growth rate of around 22% since 2016. At this rate, it is expected to reach USD, that is $372 billion US dollars in 2022. That is a good article for us. Next one, Culex mosquitoes. Here why it is in news? Why? Because there is a again appearance of these Culex mosquitoes in the Delhi area. Here, what are the favorable conditions for these Culex mosquitoes? There is a, if there is a warmer conditions, then there may be a chances of these Culex mosquitoes. Here, Culex mosquitoes are known as carriers of Japanese encephalitis, a potentially life-threatening but rare viral disease that causes acute inflammation of the brain. They breed in dirty and stagnant water. Here, unlike Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, which spread dengue and chikungunya and breed in clean water, Culex mosquito breed in unclean stagnant water. That is the difference between Culex mosquitoes and Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Next one, Nakaduba Sinhala Ramaswamy Sadasivan. Here there is a discovery of new species of Nakaba Sinhala Ramaswamy Sadasivan. That is, it is a type of butterflies in Agastya Malays in the Western Ghats. A decade ago has now found place in the Journal of Threatened Taxa. Here, Lepidopetrology is a branch of entomology concerning the scientific study of moths, and three super families of these butterflies. Someone who studies in the field is lepidopterist or Archeli or Erlane. That is about Nakaduba Sinhala Ramaswamy Sadasivan. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam.